Okay, so I decided I had to cut my losses with that last log. I was running into too many nails and screws. Excuse me. I'm going to try this section next. This was a little further up. Hopefully I don't run into the same issue. I need to do a live edge slab somewhere in the middle. So we're going to probably cut some boards off and then I'll have to edge them, which is no big deal. I'm going to get this other one off of here. Wasn't enough. Well, I might save this. Okay. So this piece, I think, is about a little over 4 feet long. And you're wondering why I would cut it that short, because there were knots beyond that. So, yeah, I got 50 inches, so 4 foot 2 inches. We're going to use a debarker on this one. This is the second load of walnut. I've got all the rounds and I got a couple more pieces to put on the mill, so let's get these dumped out. Okay, everything's out. Okay guys, well we're going to wrap it up here. I do have a few boards left to edge. I'll do that. These guys over here will do that before we go. And but this is what we got. We ended up with some nice 4-foot slabs. I don't know what the width is. A little bit varying width, but to give you an idea, this is almost 20 inches. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those slabs. Some a little bigger, some a little smaller. And over there I got some larger slabs. Wasn't planning on doing that, but the way that this particular log was, it's about all you could do with slabs out of them. I got a really giant slab underneath from the first log. And then I've got 3 2x12s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1x12s, 6 1x10s, 3 1x12s, 2 1x6s, and just a thin, I don't know, 3/4 inch, ½ inch, 3/4 inch piece there that was left over. So we'll get a few more boards over there. I'm not sure the size of them yet, but we'll wrap that up. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was an extremely hot day. Once again, I've got a lot of incentive for me to build a sawmill shed, because just to stay out of the sun and stay out of the rain, and I can mill when it rains. So still working on getting all the components I need for that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get more notified when more of these come out. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Have a great day.